When I got those, I was like, this is not going to be good for Jackson.
Whoa. Oh, owie! Hey!
Hey, Landon, be gentle.
I want that old.
Okay, here. Mama, put this on him.
And we go mature. Voucher.
Whoa.
What does it say?
Voucher.
Voucher.
Whoa!
Is it on, Landon?
Yeah, it is.
Stand up, Landon. Stand up.
There you go.
There you go.
Hold on. There.
Whoa, hey!
You get
No, you don't hit.
Landon, be gentle.
No, Landon.
Landon, don't hit your brother.
What happened to your lights? What happened to your eyes? Ah.
Can I see it, Landon? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, wait, oh, ow, ow. Ow, don't hit your dad. Man, that mask is kind of scary. Oh, oh, whoa. Whoa. Landon, where are you going? Whoa. Oh my gosh. Come here, let me turn on the light.
Landon's oceans.
Let me see the light.
And then, yeah,
Oh,
one.
oh, ow.
Hey, Landon, you have one more.
You got more presents here.
What? Well, you have more actually. Yep, this is Landon's. Here.
Where did you find that TV, Mom?
Walmart, Black Friday.
Black Friday.
On Black Friday?
Yeah, they were out.
When we left Eric and Renee's,
Whoa.
You went out, they ran out of them?
Yeah, but they guaranteed it, so then they gave me a coupon or like a gift card, and I had to go online and order, and it came like 3 weeks later.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
I got a really good deal on it.
how much?
98.
98 bucks? $98 for that TV?
Yeah, and he's found it.
Found it online for like $270.
Yeah.
So how'd you get it for 98?
It was for an hour on Black Friday.
Landon, you still have that.